Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy, dreamy tofu cream cheese that's so easy, you'll wonder why you ever bought the store-bought stuff. Trust me, you only need a handful of ingredients and about 5 minutes of your day. First, grab a block of firm tofu, drain it really well and pat it dry. This helps with that perfect creamy texture. Break it up into chunks and toss it in your blender or food processor. Now here's where the magic happens. Add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice for that tang, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a little garlic powder for flavor. If you like your cream cheese a bit sweeter, toss in a teaspoon of maple syrup. Feeling fancy? Throw in some fresh herbs or chives for extra flair. Blend it all up until it's silky smooth. You might need to scrape down the sides a couple times and add a splash of non-dairy milk if it's too thick. Taste it and adjust the seasoning. More lemon for tang, more salt for punch. And that's it. You've got yourself a luscious, spreadable tofu cream cheese that's perfect on bagels, sandwiches, or as a dip for veggies. Store it in the fridge and it'll keep for up to a week. Though, let's be real, it never lasts that long at my place. So, next time you're craving something creamy and delicious, whip up this tofu cream cheese. It's fast, it's easy, and it's totally vegan. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty plant-based recipes. See you next time.